Let me guess. You're in your 20s trying to make money, and everywhere you look, someone else is making it big. But despite all the motivation, all the advice, you're still stuck, right? You know why? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not trying hard enough. The truth is, you're caught in a cycle, wasting precious time on things that don't move the needle. And here's the hard truth. Nobody's coming to save you. So today, we're going to break down exactly what needs to change. And I promise, if you stick with me through this video, you're going to walk away with a new mindset and a roadmap to finally start seeing results. Step 1, the time trap. Time is the most valuable asset you have, especially in your 20s. So what are you doing with it? Most people waste hours every day on social media, binge watching shows, or trying to find inspiration. But here's the kicker. Every minute spent scrolling is a minute someone else is using to level up. The ones who succeed don't have more time than you. They just use their time differently. Let me ask you this. What did you actually accomplish today? Be honest. You see, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart and consistently over time. The small actions you take every day are what compound into big results later. That's why your next steps matter more than you think. Step 2, building value, your skill set. Here's where most people get it wrong. They think making money is about finding the perfect opportunity, but it's not. It's about building a skill set so valuable that people will pay you for it. Whether it's mastering coding, video editing, content creation, or even becoming an amazing chef, the truth is simple. Money follows value. The more valuable you are to others, the more they'll pay you. And in today's world, there are so many options to create that value. The problem is, most people give up before they even master one. So stop trying to chase every new trend and start building something that lasts. Step 3, choosing the right vehicle. You can work as hard as you want, but if you're working in the wrong direction, you're going nowhere. The trick is to choose the right vehicle. Whether it's e-commerce, digital marketing, freelancing, or something else, you need to find something that's proven to work. But don't just follow the crowd. Find a path that aligns with your interests and strengths. Look at people who are succeeding in that field, study them, and then ask yourself, what can I bring to the table? It's not about being the first or the most innovative. It's about being consistent and skilled in something people are already paying for. Step 4, the power of focus. Here's a fact. Success is the result of relentless focus, and focus is something most people struggle with. If you want to succeed, you need to cut the noise. Stop trying to multitask your way to success. Pick one thing and go all in. It might mean making sacrifices, less time with friends, fewer distractions, but that's the price of mastery. If you're jumping from one thing to the next, you'll never get anywhere. But when you eliminate distractions and give yourself fully to one goal, that's when real progress happens. Step 5, investing in yourself. You want to know the best investment you'll ever make? It's not stocks, crypto, or real estate. It's in yourself. Self-education is the game changer. Read books, take courses, and learn from people who are already where you want to be. The more you learn, the more you earn. Start pouring time and money into improving your mind, your skills, and your knowledge. Every dollar spent learning will come back to you tenfold. Successful people never stop learning, and neither should you. Step 6, start today, take action. Here's the most important principle of all. Start now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The truth is, there will never be a perfect moment. The longer you wait, the further behind you'll fall. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity. So start today. Whether it's reading that book, launching that business, or learning that skill. The path to success is long, but every step you take brings you closer. You're young, and that's your biggest advantage. Don't waste it. The time to start is now. The journey won't be easy. It'll take time, effort, and a lot of patience. But I promise, if you follow these steps, you will get closer to the life you want. The question is, are you ready to take control of your future? If yes, then let's go.